everyone. Welcome to yet another episode on Mindful Learning for Teachers. I'm Dr. Padmavati Tungaturti from Teach Connect. I'm a quality education specialist. Every teacher would love to deliver the lesson plan in the way which she or he wants to, but there is a barrier. Every teacher will write a lesson plan mandatorily. Of course, if you haven't started writing one, please do it from today. Writing a lesson plan, or in fact, crafting a lesson plan, is very important because you will know the boundary. Then, of course, then the battle starts in the classroom. The teacher has to deliver this lesson plan in about 35 minutes. How is the teacher going to accommodate her lesson plan with the students' inquiry and, of course, the children on one side trying to learn? Some are more inquisitive than the others. Use these simple 10 techniques to see that the students listen to your classroom and have an active engagement. The first one is use of interactive whiteboard. Smart board is a must for students because video content will be useful in engaging the student. You can expect active engagement. Then the second one should be a station rotation. That means, say, 4 groups of students stand in the 4 corners of a room and they are expert in their small piece of content. Therefore, the children go into different places and learn the content. That will be useful for everybody to master at least that piece of content. You know this third one, that is think, pair, and share. Think individually, pair the students, and then let the students share their ideas to each other. And the fourth one, give the student classroom jobs. Then there will be a discipline in the classroom. Classroom jobs are those, maybe you can ask them to keep time, maintain the classroom physical infrastructure in the way it has to be maintained, see that the students paste the content as a gallery walk, things like that. The fourth one, mind mapping. Mind mapping is a must for students to keep them engaged. Do not use all these in one lesson plan. Change your ideas to different lesson plans. And the fifth one should be giving group projects to students. Group projects will enhance and deepen the learning along with collaboration skills. And the sixth one should be a flipped classroom. Give the content to the student to refresh at home. Just scan and skim the details. Here in the classroom, you can have a group discussion. And the seventh one should be motivating through gamification. Play games using the content. Do not deviate from the learning outcomes. That's important. Your goal is to stick to the learning outcome. Then the lesson will proceed further in a very interesting way. The eighth one should be connecting with the real life application. The story, the content, whatever you tell the children should be as if they have seen it in front of their eyes, or they must have come across such kind of scenario. This will help the student to connect with the content very soon. The ninth one should be a group discussion. Give small content to different groups. Give them guidelines to discuss and then make it as a circle and allow students to give their points, 1 point per head. This is where the expectation chart comes into picture. Group discussion should have a discipline framework. And the 10th one, the reflection. Reflection need not be done at the end of the lesson. It can be done while induction in the classroom to reflect upon what the students have learned in their previous classes. This is how 10 different ideas will help the student to keep themselves engaged in the classroom. Actively engage Be an active listener. Participate while all other students are collaborating with each other. This is a wonderful way. Classroom management skills have to be in place for an effective teacher. Thanks for watching my video. Hope this video has added any value to your lesson or delivery of lesson. Make this an order of the day that you include one lesson in one lesson plan. Make this an order of the day. Include one type of management of classroom idea in one particular lesson plan. Don't get overwhelmed. Take it as it comes, slowly, one after the other. Share this video with somebody else who you feel they might have a great benefit watching this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You will get all my videos if you press on the bell icon. Thank you.